Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting tools and the replacement bottom stop ready. You need precise control, so use needle nose and thin pliers. First, open the zipper fully so you can access the very base. Once done, spread the fabric flat and inspect the last intact tooth on both sides to orient the stop. This matters because the new stopper must align with the teeth profile to prevent misfeeds. Make sure to note which side originally held the stop before moving to removal. You remove the old stop by prying gently or cutting it off close to the tape. Do this slowly to avoid deforming the terminal teeth, because bent teeth cause future jams. Next, position the replacement bottom stop so it sits squarely over both zipper tapes and just behind the last engaged tooth. Alignment ensures the slider won't pass the stop. Then crimp the new stopper with steady, even pressure using flat pliers so it compresses uniformly. You finish by testing movement. Run the slider up and down several times to seat the new stop and confirm smooth engagement. This helps the metal settle and reveals any alignment issues. If the slider slips past the stop, don't force it. Recrimp the stopper tighter or try a slightly larger replacement. Forcing risks damaging teeth. If teeth are misaligned, use small pliers to straighten them or consider replacing a short zipper section, because a properly aligned tooth row is essential for lasting function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.